Hey guys, so we live in the times where more and more stuff are getting expensive, and in this video I want to share with you the ways on how you can actually lower your plan and how to possibly get a cheaper Verizon plan. So the first thing first, so check the discounts. Okay, this is the first thing. So you can call to the line of Verizon and actually like ask them, okay, can you lower my plan? This is like simple question. Maybe they're gonna say no, maybe yes. Just ask it out, okay? Second thing, check military, first responders, nurses, teachers, students. So if you're some of these, you can get also discounts. Now, another thing, what you can do is that to get a cheaper Verizon plan based also, you can enable autopay, paper-free billing, and you have like $10 off line. So switch to the unlimited welcome plan. So that's something too. And check for loyalty discounts in the app. If you're gonna go to number transfer PIN. So that's another thing. Another thing that I also saw on Reddit, this post, look at that. So if you can save money on Verizon wireless bill, in the Verizon app, go to profile and setting and number transfer pin. Just going to that prompt an offer of $20 a month off my phone line for a year. This might not work for everyone, but it's worth a try. And someone like wrote here, dang, you saved me $240 in 2 minutes. So this is something that you can actually do. So do these things. Maybe it's going to help you. I hope so. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I wish you best of luck. Okay, have a great day and goodbye.